There's some good news for the commuters on Divar Panaji route. To ease the traffic flow during the exposition of the sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier at Old Goa, the River Navigation Department has proposed to start ferry services from Divar Old Goa route to Panaji from November 26th. Timing of the ferry from Divar ramp is at 6 am, 6:30 am and 7 am to Panaji and then ply regularly till 9 pm. The services will run for 4 days on trial basis and then the decision to continue the same will be taken depending on the public response. The initiative has been welcomed by the commuters as this will give them relief from the traffic congestion.